Hello, gardening enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of container gardening, where possibilities bloom in every pot. From compact spaces to limitless imagination, let's embark on a journey that proves you don't need a vast garden to create a vibrant and flourishing oasis. So, grab your gardening tools and let's get ready to sow the seeds of inspiration in our own little piece of paradise. Firstly, what exactly is container gardening? Well, it's a versatile approach where you grow plants in pots or containers instead of directly in the ground. This method is fantastic for those with limited space, allowing you to garden on balconies, patios, or even indoors. What makes container gardening so appealing is that it provides you with control over crucial factors like soil quality and drainage. Plus, it offers flexibility in arranging your plants, allowing for creative and space-efficient gardening solutions. Container gardening is a favorite among gardening aficionados for cultivating a variety of plants, including herbs, vegetables, flowers, and small shrubs. Its versatility shines, particularly for those dealing with limited outdoor space or challenging soil conditions. Now let's explore the benefits of container gardening. One of the standout benefits of container gardening is the control it provides over crucial factors like soil quality. You have the freedom to tailor the soil mix, ensuring it's perfectly suited to the specific needs of your plants. This level of precision contributes to healthier and more vibrant growth. Container gardening also offers mastery over drainage, a vital aspect of plant health. With well-designed containers and proper drainage systems, you can prevent waterlogging and root-related issues, creating an environment where your plants can flourish. Flexibility in arranging your plants is another major plus. Containers are movable, allowing you to optimize sunlight exposure and adapt to changing weather conditions. This not only adds a creative dimension to your gardening, but also enhances the overall health of your green companions. Container gardens typically experience fewer weed problems compared to traditional in-ground gardens. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures that your plants receive undivided attention and resources. For those with limited outdoor space or physical constraints, container gardening provides accessibility. You can elevate containers to a comfortable height, making the joy of gardening accessible to everyone. For beginners, starting small is key. Choose easy-to-grow plants, understand sunlight needs, and invest in quality soil. Maintain a routine of consistent watering, check for proper container drainage, and be patient as you learn and adapt. These tips will help you build a thriving container garden. Now let's talk about the exciting part: vegetables you can grow in containers. These popular choices can turn your containers into vibrant and flourishing mini gardens. First up, we have herbs, a perfect addition to small pots. Basil, mint, rosemary, thyme, and parsley not only add aromatic flavors to your culinary adventures, but also thrive beautifully in compact containers. Next on our list are tomatoes, a staple in many gardens. Opt for compact or dwarf varieties like cherry tomatoes or patio tomatoes. These are well suited for containers, providing a bountiful harvest even in limited spaces. Spice up your container garden with peppers. Bell peppers and chili peppers, especially smaller varieties, can flourish in pots. Bring a touch of heat and vibrant colors to your gardening space. For a delightful and edible display, consider growing strawberries in hanging baskets or strawberry pots. It not only adds sweetness to your garden, but also a charming visual appeal. For a fresh and healthy touch, leafy greens like spinach, arugula, and lettuce are perfect for container gardening. Harvest your own salads straight from your container garden. Bring a touch of orchard magic to your containers with dwarf fruit trees. Whether it's a miniature apple tree or a compact citrus tree, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor in a limited space. Finally, let's not forget the aesthetics. Marigolds, petunias, pansies, and geraniums are fantastic choices to add a burst of color and charm to your container garden. With careful placement and thoughtful selection, your container garden is sure to become a blooming masterpiece. Embracing the world of container gardening unlocks a myriad of advantages, but it's equally important to navigate the challenges that may arise. One consideration is the limited root space within containers, influencing the size and productivity of your beloved plants. To thrive, careful selection of suitable varieties tailored for confined spaces is key. Containers, while offering flexibility, tend to dry out quickly, emphasizing the need for diligent and consistent watering. Managing temperature fluctuations is another aspect, with containers experiencing more significant variations than in-ground gardens. Being mindful of extreme weather ensures your plants flourish, even in the face of hot summers or chilly winters. Additionally, the nutrient-rich soil in containers requires regular fertilization to sustain robust growth. While the initial setup may entail higher costs for containers, quality soil, and drainage materials compared to traditional methods, it's an investment in the flourishing future of your garden. By appreciating both the benefits and challenges, you can make informed decisions, creating a thriving and enjoyable container garden. As we wrap up, remember that container gardening is a rewarding journey. It's about enjoying the process, learning from each experience, and reaping the benefits of your efforts. So whether you're a gardening novice or looking to expand your green space, give container gardening a try. It's a blooming adventure waiting to happen. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy gardening.